Good day viewers, you are welcome to Tindanious Math Tutorials. If this is your first time chancing on my YouTube channel, kindly share, like, subscribe and comment for more interesting videos and catchy topics. So far as this channel is concerned, we are going to learn a lot. We are going to explore. We are going to interact. We are going to understand and appreciate mathematics. And we are going to learn how we are going to use those mathematics concepts in real life setting, okay? If you are new here, visit my previous lecture videos on linear permutation of similar objects before watching this video. Let's go straight to the point. How many different arrangements of the letters of the word permutation are possible? So here I have permutation, right? Permutation this way. So permutation this way. Now let's count the total number of letters in the word. So let n represent the total number of letters in the word, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We have 10 letters in this word. Now let's look out for the words that occurs more than once. Okay, so let n1 represent the letter occur more than once. Viewers, when I start with C, okay, the letter C appears only once. Okay, so we are going to discard the C. Okay, I thought that the one that appears once, do not factor them in your calculation because it will not affect your answers. Alright, so I'm not going to tackle the C because it's appearing only once, and I'm interested in tackling letters appearing more than once, so 2, 3 and beyond. What about O? So I have what? Number of my O's. Number of O, we have 1, then 2, right? So I have 2. Then I have let n to represent the other letter appearing more than once. You have m, okay, yes, m. So number of what? Of m's. How many m's do we have? 2 m's. So I have 2. Then I have let n to represent the number, or let n to represent the letter appearing more than once. The next letter appearing more than once. I have I. So I have number of what? I's, which is, how many I's do we have? 1, 2. So you have 2 I's. What about S? So I have N. 4 represents number of my S, which is what? 2S, right? So you have what? 2S. Then what again? So I think we've covered everything, right? So say then the required what? Number of ways of arranging the word permutation is given by n factorial over the product of the number of what? Of the letters appearing more than one. So I have n1, n2, n3, and n4, and add factorial to them. So I have n1 factorial times n2 factorial times n3 factorial, then times n4 factorial. Then by substitution, my n here is equal to 10. So I have 10 factorial, then all over, what is n1? Viewers, n1 here is equal to 2, n2 is equal to 2, n2 is equal to 2, n4 is also equal to 2. So I have 2 here, but I have a factorial, then times 2 factorial times 2 factorial, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, then times 2 factorial. And by the help of, the calculator, we have 10 factorial over 2 factorial times 2 factorial times 2 factorial, then times what? 2 factorial, and we are getting 2, 6, 8, 0, 0. So we have 226,000 800. So this is the number of ways we can arrange the letter, which is what? Commission. Viewers, this is the end to this simple question. I'll see you next time where we are going to appreciate more examples in order to understand the topic to the core. Bye.